One of the challenges that most traders have when using the MetaTrader 5 mobile app is this one-click mode. Sometimes you mistakenly buy or sell and instantly the order is executed without asking for a confirmation. You don't even intend to buy, you were still analyzing and trying to touch something and you hit that buy or sell. That is a problem that some people who are new to MetaTrader 5 has been encountering. However, there is a way to stop this. To avoid making such mistakes, all you need to do is to deactivate the one-click mode. So I'm going to show you exactly how to deactivate the one-click mode so that even if your hand touches this buy or sell mistakenly, it will not execute instantly. It will rather want to ask you for a confirmation. So let's go and do exactly that. So for you to deactivate the one-click mode so that you don't make such costly mistakes, all you need to do is come to this menu button here, these three horizontal lines at the top left-hand corner of your chart. Then tap on it. So go to the settings. There you will see one-click trading. It is selected here, so you have to unselect it. So when you unselect it, you can go back to your chart. So when we come back to our chart, everything still remains the same, but when I mistakenly click on buy or sell, something different will happen. So let me do exactly that. So I click on buy. So you can see that I just clicked on the buy. Instead of executing immediately like we saw just some minutes ago, we got a pop-up of this interface asking us to make further adjustments, whether we want a market execution or we would like to change it to any other type, set the lot size and the stop loss and take profit. Only then you can intentionally click on the buy or on the sell and that will be executed. So no more mistakes entering a trade that you never intended to take. I hope this helps. If it does, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.